In this video, you'll learn about the function of subject headings and how to use them in your own research. You'll also learn how subject headings differ from keywords. What are subject headings? A subject heading is a specific word or phrase used to find and organize books and articles by topic. Subject headings can be a great way to easily find things related directly to your topic. They are different from keywords in that they are specific terms assigned to a subject by an organization. For example, the Library of Congress supplies subject headings for books owned by Murphy Library and other libraries. And the company that provides the Academic Search Ultimate database supplies subject headings for the articles found in that database. You might also hear subject headings referred to as controlled vocabulary, or subject terms. Regardless of the term used, these all refer to the same concept: standard language that describes the aboutness of a source. In this video, we'll focus on using subject headings to find articles in a library database. But remember that books and other materials are also assigned subject headings, so the techniques that you learn here can be applied broadly as you conduct your research. How to use subject headings. Subject headings use a different approach to searching than keywords. When using keywords, you're choosing search terms based on your own understanding of a topic. Subject headings are standard language and take the guesswork out of searching for relevant information. Basically, once you find a subject or two that describes your research topic, you can use it to find every article in a database about that topic. Let's try a sample search to see how subject headings work in a database. For this example, I'll try to find sources related to the concepts of fake news and politics. I could brainstorm some keywords in this search, but I can also navigate to the Subject Terms tab in the blue bar at the top of the page and then use the second search box to locate relevant subject headings. First, I'll type in the keyword fake news to see which subject heading is suggested by the database. In this case, the subject heading and keyword are the same. Still, I'll check the box for the subject heading and click the Add button. Now, I can see it in the search bar at the top of the page. You'll notice that there is a DE in front of our subject heading. This stands for descriptor, which is a synonym for subject heading. It's also a nice visual cue that you're using a subject heading and not a keyword. Next, I'll type in politics. This time the database suggests the term practical politics. I'll add that to my search box at the top of this page and click on the green search button. Now I can see the results that I have both subject headings assigned to them. If you want to make sure your search worked, and if you want to discover other subject headings that might be relevant to your search, you can open up one of the results in your list and check the subject term sections. You'll see the terms you searched, as well as the other subject headings to the article. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped. To view other library how-to videos, please go to the Murphy Library YouTube channel to see all that we have available. Is there a video you'd like to see us make? Leave your suggestions in the comments below, or email at us at libinstruct@uwlax.edu.